Hello everyone. Today is 11 October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is string in Java. Before start our Viva topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajanan Surosi. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed engineering in mechanical branch and Pune University. So we will return to our Viva topic. First, we will see about what is string. In Java, string is basically an object that represent the sequence of char values and array of character works same as Java string. Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operations on strings, such as compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare to internal substring. The Java language string class implements serializable, comparable, and char sequence interfaces. Then then in the char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character strings. String buffer and string builder classes implements. It means we can create strings in Java by using these three classes, that is string buffer, and string builder. The Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whatever we change in string, a new instance is created. For mutable strings, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. Then we will see about immutable string. Uh, Before immutable string, we will see about what is string in Java. Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. The Java language string class is used to create a string object. How to Then we will see about how to create a string object. There are two ways to create string object. First is by string literal, and second is by new keyword. First, the first way is string literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string yes is equal to in double quote welcome. Each time in Java, each time we create a string literal, the GVM checks the string constant full first. If the uh, string does not exit in the pool, new string instance is created and placed in the pool. Then in Java, there is second way of string, that is Java string class method. The Java language string class provides many useful methods to perform operations on sequence of char values. Um, in string handling, following concept are of course. First is concept of string, and second is string comparison. Third is immutable string. Fourth is string concatenation. Fourth is Fifth is concept of substring. Sixth is string class method and its uses. Seventh is string buffer class. Number 8, string builder class. Ninth is creating immutable class. 10th is to string method, and last one is string to nicer class. So it is all about string in Java. Thank you.